Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Jason Wehrli with Wehrli Custom Fab. Today we're going to show you our lower valance filler panel for the 2015 and 19 Chevy HD trucks. So you've got a 2015 and 19 2500 or 3500 model HD Chevy Silverado. Looking to install a lift kit or a larger tire and wheel package? This lower valance filler panel is a must-have item. When you install a lift kit on these model trucks, it's standard to have to chop the corners of the plastic valance off. Unfortunately, you can't just remove this plastic valance because you're left with a large void in the center of the front bumper. So we've designed an aluminum filler panel that fills this void and gives it a great fit and finish. Removing the plastic lower valance gives the truck a much more aggressive look, a taller stance, and more ground clearance. We offer two different styles for the valance filler panel, with tow hooks and without. If your truck has tow hooks or you'd like to install tow hooks, you'll want the one with the windows, as the tow hooks will protrude through this filler panel. If your truck doesn't have tow hooks or you'd like to remove them, you'll want the one without the windows for a sleek finish. We offer the valance filler panel in a raw aluminum finish so you can paint to match, or our fine texture black powder coat to blend with the factory plastics and your WCFab bumper grille. If you're looking for something more unique, go with our in-house custom powder coating and choose from any color you like. The options are endless. Well, thanks for checking out our Chevy Silverado lower valance filler panel. Reach out to our sales team for any other questions. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our monthly newsletter for any other new product updates. Thanks a lot for watching.